Hey friends, today I am going to draw Maharaj Shani as Saturday is the day of Lord Shani Maharaj. In Bengali, Shani is popularly known as Boro Thakur. So many people have misconception about him that he is an angry god. But as per my knowledge, if we obey him and follow his direction, we will be benefited every time. He is the God of rule and discipline. He bless all of us if we can keep His rules. Even if we confess our guilty and promise not to repeat the same, then also He bless us all around. Here, for this particular portrait, I have used grid method, and the materials I have used are 200 GSM black paper and white color pencil and the blending stumps and one soft eraser. In relation, he is the brother of goddess Durga and he is the mama, means maternal uncle of Lord Ganesha. He has a soft and kind side which is not known by many people, and they keep distance from him. If we worship him, he always fulfills all our wishes, but we need to keep a pure and holy heart along with proper hygiene. Viewers, I request you all to like this video if you are still watching, and as well as subscribe this channel to show the support of this video. Lord Shani Maharaj will bless you ever. May prosperity comes to your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Tomorrow once again I will come up with a new story and new video. Till then, take care. Bye.